this is the second presentation. In the first presentation, we discussed the benefits. Now we
Yeah.
discuss how to do it, because the costs
Yeah.
are very low, the losses are nothing, and the benefits are many. So come, let us do it. Okay, just like this lovely child. So what are the steps?
Good.
There are two ways of doing it. One is a traditional way, and there's a spiral way. The traditional way says prepare everything in one go. Do everything in one go, and in one time, just simply go live. There is no option. Do it in one go, and you guys have to do it and do it. There is one good way. Second is this is one time go live. The spiral way is don't worry, take it easy. We'll do it step by step. You still do it. In the next 10 minutes, we'll discuss which one is better. I'll show you both. The traditional way says count all the reels you have. Currently, whatever your company has the number of reels, tell me what your reels have.
Yeah.
Make an Excel file. Give the Excel file to me. I'll upload the Excel file. I will print all the barcodes in one go. I'll print 1,000, 1,500 barcodes. I'll print on day one, and you go and paste them on the reels. So what does it need? It needs to train all the people. So train the people how to paste the stickers for future also. When the goods are being received, at that point for the future receiving, they continue doing it on a day-on-day basis. Issue is also happening continuously. Return work is also happening continuously. These are three activities: opening, receipt, issue, and return back. So ready all this infrastructure in one go and start it. Simple. That is one good way of traditional way of doing this. Further, train the people to make the job card. It must also start on day one, because no job card, no issue possible. And job card must be compulsory.
Yeah.
And train all the people, and all people must be trained properly from day one.
Yeah.
Otherwise, there will be a problem. And
Yeah.
if there is a difference, what will happen? It's not allowed. You have to be correct the first time itself. So, but can you be perfect on the first go? All these steps, can you be perfect on one go? Maybe, may not be. So what if you're not perfect? So redo from start. Say after 1 month, we'll say, oh shit, we missed. We'll do again a fizzle count. We'll do again a recount. We'll again upload. We ignore the past and we reset, reboot, and restart. Just like after Corona, we restart. So after everything, we restart. Okay, let's start again. Now, let me discuss the risks involved in the method number one. In the method number one, we have faced situations where the opening reel number that you give me is wrong. Out of those 1,500 reels, maybe some numbers are wrong. Maybe some kgs are wrong. Maybe your boys missed some reels.
Yes.
Maybe they missed some bit reels. Maybe they missed some supplier rejection reels which are lying on one side. Risk number two. Receipts entry were done, but issue entry was not done because the job card system was not ready. Nobody was issuing the job card. I became dependent on the production people.
Fine.
Production will also need some time to absorb the system. They need some days, maybe. So again, for those 3, 4, 5 days, or maybe 1 week, or maybe 2 weeks, or maybe 3 weeks, my issue entry is not happening, receiving entry is happening. So what will happen? My stock will be right or wrong?
Wrong.
So after 1 month, I would say stores, let's redo from start again. Risk number 3. Real issue has been done. Risk 2 was receipt done, issue not done. Now I say issue done, but real return not done.
Yeah.
Because real return by itself is another work.
Yeah. After consumption, it is not done. Yeah.
Yeah. So if I issue today 5 rolls of, let's say, 6 tons totaling for, let's say, a job, a 5-ply job. So I get back, let's say, 5 rolls of 100, 200, 300 kg each. So if I don't receive them back into the system, for the system, they don't exist. So my stock in hand in 1 day has gone wrong by 1 ton already. And they are, how many jobs you are doing every day? Maybe 10 jobs, 20 jobs. So within 1 week, your stock will be all wrong. So the traditional method assumes that this risk will be taken care of and there will be no such risk.
Yeah.
But I feel there is a risk because I am doing this for 28 years now. I know this is a risk. Risk number 4. You have entered the reel return, but you do not put the barcode again on that reel. It's lost.
Yeah.
Again, nobody knows the source or origin of this reel, the number of this reel. So next time when you want to issue, you're not sure what is the GSM. You're not sure what is the decal. You're not sure what is the kg. So what will happen after 1 month again? I'll again recount, I'll re-upload, I'll again redo from start. What is the solution? So my idea is, first of all, let's do a plan. What we have to do. I am now going to present to you the FinSys standard operating plan for making the reel system successful. Make a plan, determine the objectives, see what are the options. I am showing you 2 options, traditional way and the new way. Make a prototype. We'll be doing testing prototypes with you. Validate it. In the first cycle, you are running a smaller cycle, then a bigger cycle, then a bigger cycle, then a bigger cycle. And within 1, 2, or 3 cycles of buying, let's say within 1 month or 2 months, you'll be perfect. Okay? So how to do it?
Yeah.
So we'll do a best possible planning for every activity. We break up this reel-based system into 7 or 8 main steps. Each step we implement, knowing that the other steps may or may not happen, but at least we make a success on 1 step. We can have parallel activity on those 7 steps. As soon as all steps are done, then we say, okay, let's go big bang, let's put all the locks now. So in the reel-based management, in the barcode management, we suggest this spiral definition. So which are those 7 steps? Now let me share those 7 steps with you. All 7 steps simultaneously we'll implement, and slowly we'll be there. From 10%, 20% compliance, 50% compliance, 80, 90, 99, then 100% compliance will reach. So now let me come to the step number 1. And what MRR comes? A barcode comes automatically, print it and paste it like this, in whichever format you want to do. This is the first step, which can start on day 1. So either on a paper or on a barcode sticker, either way, method is not relevant. Print it, paste it. Step number 2, start creating the process plans templates. You have various varieties of boxes you make. There will be 5-ply, 3-ply, eFlute, various other formats. There will be open box, jumbo box, plates, dividers, whatever combos you have. For each, you create the templates with my team. Certify them. If you make the process plan properly, the job card, which is the work instruction, can be started immediately. The detailed production can come later. There's difference, because one thing is a job card. Job card you must be doing even now. That means even in Excel or maybe on a paper, you have a job card. So job card, let the job card continue. Even if the production module, which stage, which machine, what is the cycle time, it's not done. It can happen after 2 weeks, no problem. Let's start the job card. Activity number 2. So train the people how to make a process plan. If the process plan is made, it looks like this. The job card gets made in 10 seconds, 20 seconds, 30 seconds. This job card will be printed like this. It will have a lot of automation, lot of benefit. We'll come to that later. So this job card would have all the instructions. Job card has sheets, wastage, which order number, which ups. We will discuss these formats. It is again a very big success. So first success in our belt, second success in our belt. Now we come to the third success, which is my third process, which is called machine loading sheet. Machine loading is a compilation of the job cards. Job card number 1211, 1210, etc., with this spec are to be loaded for the job today on this machine. And these many linear meters, and this is the planned weight. So here you learn how to prioritize the jobs, how to batch them with the flute, batch them on plies, batch them according to paper, according to decal size, according to delivery date. You batch them so that you don't have to change over jobs again and again. Right? So this is called the prioritization and machine loading. So this is the third part of my production and source module. The fourth part is the opening reels. Opening reels, instead of starting from day 1, we are saying let it happen simultaneously. So I said let us start daily physical verification. So let us do 1 BF grade a day or 1 GSM grade a day. There will be some differences. There will be surely some differences because issue entry may or may not be done. There will be some missing stock which has come up suddenly. There is a bit reel issue found just today. So whatever is there, no problems. Do the verification of 50 or 100 reels every day. Go into the software which says physical verification of reel system. Go there, select the size, select the location. You can have people either from your existing stores or dedicated people. Put them into the ERP. System will automatically tell you what is the quantity as per books of that reel number which we just purchased, and what is the physical count of that reel as per you now. So whatever differences are found, you put the location, and there's the location how it comes, where it is, in that which bay, किस bay में रखा है. You have a paint through which you can write the numbers on the walls or on the pillars, just like a parking in a supermarket or in a mall. And on the floor you can paint the numbers. So these are numbers, and here you update the quantities. So against this 985, this was okay. Against the second reel 989, this was only 500 kgs. The third reel 999, it was only 250 kgs. Whatever is the difference, no problems. Against this 980, it was 103. It was higher. How? Why? What happened? So see this closely. Two reels are also missing. No problem. They're missing. Fine. Start doing it every day. And in the stock tie-up report, you will find for every reel, the movement will start happening. You have an inward quantity and you have a consumption quantity and there's a closing quantity. And this 2163 kg has been found as lost today, lost or consumed today. So now somebody has to think why and where did it go? Why it was not recorded properly? Because you don't have which job card it went to. It's simply lost. So for reel number 1335, it has been reduced and quantity has been reduced to 489. 489 consumed and 500 left. Another one, you see here 250 is left. In 1338, totally gone. Closing is 0. 1338. It also showing the location. So using this facility, you start doing a physical verification on a daily basis. Even if you're not issuing, start doing it daily. So that people know that the real stock is now in my hands. I know the actual stock position, and every day, within 10 or 15 days, 100% of your reels will be barcoded, 100% of your reels would be in the system. And if you don't have a job card, it will not have a job number. Slowly you know how many items are not having a job number consumptions. Now, fifth process is start using the barcode scanners or the Android phone. Just like this. So now already your inward reel has a barcode, your job card has a barcode, your machine loading card has a job card, barcode, opening reels and new reels all have a barcode. Issue process was happening indirectly as an option, slowly make it compulsory. So here you start scanning and issuing the material using a scanner as we discussed. Issue it, reel issue, reel return using a device. Scan like this and issue it. Sixth process, we have discussed the 5 processes. The sixth pillar of making stores and production successful is return activity. If the return activity doesn't work, again your stock is wrong. So the return activity, give them a printer or a scanner like this also if you so desire. So the material comes back, scan it, put how many kg it is now, press OK, and system will give you a new printout like this and paste it on the reel again. So this also has to get in form. It has to get in groove. आदत पढ़ना है. आदत नहीं पढ़ेगा तो सब गलत होएगा. बट गलत हो जाएगा तो भी मेरे पास फिजिकल वेरिफिकेशन का सिस्टम है कि हर 10 दिन के अंदर हर रील चेक हो रहा है. Every few days I am checking all the reels, so I know what is lost. So we will do an investigation, what is lost and why it was lost. Slowly the percentage of these losses or differences has to come down. We have to be perfect. Maybe 50%, then 60%, then 80%, then 85%, then 99%. So that is how the reel is coming back. The seventh part of your journey. The seventh part of your journey is location. When it came back, where did you keep it? The seventh part is when it came back, where did you keep it? Or maybe when you purchased, where did you keep it? Can you see the screen?
Yeah.
On the screen, you are choosing where did I keep it, and you press save. The record is saved. So now the system also tells you where it is, which full reel or part reel is where. So at the level 8, you are ready. So you start using the machine loading sheet, scan using a sheet, scan using a phone or a device, scan the reel, and your process we have already discussed, and you've done it. So that's a match at Sharjah or Dubai some time ago, and India did it. So friends, that is the step. If we do these 10, 11 steps, or maybe 8 steps, 7 steps, so when we do these steps properly, we would be successful. And we have to celebrate every victory. These are 8 or 7 important steps. The 8th victory comes only when your 7 victories are there. So enjoy every victory.
Fine.
So these are the steps, and my friend Mohit and Sanjay Bansal would be working with you closely, and they will be working with your team in helping manage each of these steps one by one.
Okay.
All these steps are required. If you don't use these steps, maybe you will come back again and again because you'll say, oh, I missed. Oh, I missed. So we'll analyze the situation, we'll evaluate it, we'll further make it better and better. We'll do a better planning again and we'll make it better. And we feel, based on our experience, this is a good plan.